Experiencing issues with the Messages app on your Samsung Galaxy A25, such as app crashes or lags? Resetting the app settings to their default can often help resolve these problems, especially if they started after you made some changes. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening the Settings app. Swipe up to find Apps and tap on it. Then, search for Messages and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage. In the following screen, tap on Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data and confirm your action by tapping Delete. This straightforward process will instantly reset the Messages app to its default settings. Alternatively, you can also reach this screen by long pressing the Messages app until options appear. Tap the App Info icon and then tap Storage. From there, you can tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. While this procedure is quite simple, it can effectively fix app crashes, lags, and other issues you might be experiencing when texting. We hope this guide can assist you. Thanks for watching.